Welcome to IQD Dinar News, your go-to source for the latest updates on currency exchange rates, revaluation news, and insights into the Iraqi dinar. Stay informed and ahead of the curve with our timely analysis and breaking developments. The dynamics of currency strength, particularly in the context of the Iraqi dinar and its relationship to the US dollar, have profound implications for economic stability and growth in Iraq. The narrative shared by the television channel highlights a significant development. The dinar has reportedly gained strength within the local economy, accompanied by a noticeable decline in the value of the dollar. This is a critical moment in the broader narrative of Iraq's economic recovery and its ongoing monetary reform efforts. As a backdrop, the economic landscape in Iraq has been shaped by years of instability, conflict, and reliance on oil revenues. The dinar has historically struggled against stronger currencies like the dollar, leading to a thriving black market for foreign currency exchange. The black market's existence typically signifies a lack of confidence in the local currency and, by extension, the economy. In this context, the news that the dinar is gaining strength while the dollar is declining signals a potential turning point. The implications of this shift are multifaceted. For one, a stronger dinar means that purchasing power is increasing for local consumers, which can lead to greater economic activity. As the value of the dinar rises, imported goods become relatively cheaper, making them more accessible to the average consumer. This increased purchasing power can stimulate demand for a variety of goods and services within the local market, promoting overall economic growth. Moreover, the decline of the dollar in this scenario suggests a diminishing influence of foreign currencies on the Iraqi economy. This is particularly significant given Iraq's historical dependence on the dollar for international trade and transactions. A weakening dollar could reflect a shift towards greater confidence in the dinar, encouraging both local and foreign investments. Investors are typically more inclined to put their money into an economy where they believe the local currency will hold its value, thus fostering a more stable investment environment. The mention of the black market failing is another crucial aspect of this discussion. A thriving black market usually thrives on the disparity between official exchange rates and the rates that consumers are willing to pay for foreign currency. If the dinar continues to strengthen, the incentives for participating in the black market diminish. This, in turn, supports the formal economy and the government's efforts to regulate currency exchange, reinforcing the legitimacy of the local currency. The sentiment expressed by Frank highlights the optimism surrounding the potential outcomes of these developments. The assertion that as the dollar drops, your currency grows underscores a fundamental principle in currency economics: the value of one currency often inversely correlates with another. As the dollar weakens, the relative strength of the dinar becomes more pronounced. This relationship is particularly salient in a country like Iraq, where monetary policy and exchange rates are critical to economic stability and growth. One of the most vital components of this situation is the ongoing monetary reform in Iraq. Monetary reform refers to the strategies and policies implemented by a government or central bank to stabilize and strengthen its currency. In Iraq's case, these reforms are crucial for rebuilding trust in the dinar and the country's overall economic framework. The successful implementation of these reforms can restore confidence among consumers and investors alike, creating a virtuous cycle of economic growth. The current situation reflects broader themes in global economics, where currency values are influenced by a range of factors, including trade balances, interest rates, inflation rates, and geopolitical stability. In the case of Iraq, political stability will play a critical role in determining the sustainability of the dinar's strength. ongoing challenges, such as corruption, security issues, and governance problems, can hinder progress and erode public trust in monetary policy. In conclusion, the developments surrounding the dinar's growth in strength and the decline of the dollar present an encouraging narrative for Iraq's economic future. The potential failure of the black market and the success of monetary reform efforts signal a pivotal moment in the country's recovery journey. As the dinar strengthens and purchasing power increases, the opportunities for local businesses and consumers expand, fostering a more vibrant and resilient economy. However, sustaining this momentum will require continued focus on governance, political stability, and robust economic policies that prioritize the needs of the Iraqi people. Only by addressing these challenges can Iraq fully realize the promise of a strengthened dinar and a prosperous economic future. Thanks for tuning in to IQD Dinar News. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more updates on the Iraqi dinar and global currency trends, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.